A car should be, A, pleasing to look at, have an engine or a powertrain of technological interest, should be fun to drive, and should be attractive to look at. The same thing you look for in a spouse, actually, you know. So, you know, you're going to be looking at someone over the breakfast table every morning. Well, they should be attractive. It's going to ruin your whole day. Oh, what would I tell someone trying my product the first time? Sucker! No, that wouldn't be fair. That wouldn't be right at all. I mean, it's got your name on it, so you should be proud of it. I mean, quote, the smart way to do this, some big manufacturer comes to you, gives you a check, say, will you stand there, hold a product, and they give you a check for a ton of dough. And I guess there is something to that, but there's a certain satisfaction in making your own product and going to car shows and not being afraid to meet your customers. But you're at a car show and people go, hey, I tried your, you know, that detail spray is really good, or boy, I heard what you said about your metal polish and I bought it and it really works well, I like it. Oh, okay, it makes you feel good because you feel like you're contributing something to the hobby. And that was how really the first product that really got me started. I wanted a chrome cleaner that was not, it didn't have pumice in it or sand or grit. You know, a lot of times you get a chrome polish, you put in your fingers, you can feel the grittiness of it. I wanted something that cleaned chemically, not with, you know, brute force or abrasion. I don't pretend to be a chemist or scientist or anything. Everything we do is made within 40 or 50 miles of the shop here. We wanted to make a product we thought people would like, it would be good and get a bit of a reputation. We just get the best products we can because this is stuff I'm using on my own vehicles. This is the factory that's about a half-hour drive from the garage. We come out occasionally to check and see how everything's going. We thought you might get a kick out of seeing it. Come on inside. This is the lab where they develop the chemicals for the product. You know, what we tried to do here was make the best product we can with the smallest profit margin. I know that doesn't make a lot of sense, but my idea was if we made a superior product, we could make a little less money on it, but people would like it better. You know, if you watch me, I don't really advertise my stuff, even on my old YouTube channel. I like to just put it out there and people use it. If they like it, oh, they reorder it and they buy it again. You know, this is what I do. I enjoy going to car shows. I enjoy talking cars. I enjoy meeting people, seeing their cars. You know, whether it's a 63 six-cylinder Falcon the guy has restored or some sort of rare Lamborghini Espada or something, it doesn't matter. It's just the amount of workmanship, you know. Obviously, Duesenbergs are interesting because they're twin cam, 4-valve per cylinder, all in the late 20s when that was just seen as literally outer space technology. I go to the lowrider shows and I always see this attention to detail, you know, the fittings, the way they're done, the way the airlines go, you know, so to me that's the whole thing. It's what I do anyway, so when I meet people I don't want to be embarrassed or have to hide, you know. I got friends of mine that play doctors on TV shows and people go, oh, Bob, would you take a look? I'm not really a doctor. Well, just take a look at this thing on my ass here. No, I'm not really a doctor. But see, as a car guy, when you tell me, look at my paint, look at my finish, oh, I'll come over and look at it because that's what I like to do.